What are you looking at?
Ew.
What's ew? Grapes? What else? What is it?
Remedies.
Lemonade?
Yeah?
Lemons?
Lemon?
Yeah. What else is in there?
Peach.
Peach?
Peach?
Anything else you can read? No mushrooms?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. What is that?
It's a fish.
It's a fish? Is it a gas, maybe?
Right there.
Yeah. What else is there?
It's a together one.
A gas.
Okay. Watch out.
Watch out.
Ouch.
Yep.
Stuck.
Okay.
Nope.
What else? Next page.
Oh. Look at the crystal. It's a red.
It's a red. Are you sure it's red, not purple? It's probably a garnet, isn't it? Gazelle. Ooh, what are those?
The purple.
Purple.
Crystal.
Purple crystals. Okay.
Look
All,
out.
all done?
Yeah.